Hello everyone. This is Mohit Kumar Jain. I am from East West Institute of Technology, Bangalore. I have designed a project whose name is Wireless Eye Movement Human Computer Human Machine Interface. Actually, this system is basically designed for physically paralyzed people who cannot move their physical part. So, in this project, basically we have two modules, which is one is acquisition part and another one is application part. Actually, we have four electrodes which will be placing near eye, and those electrodes will be acquiring electrical potential from eye, and those signals will be sent to acquisition part, which consists of an instrument acquiring signals. And as we know, the signal strength is very low. It's in the range of 0.01 millivolt to 0.1 millivolt. So we have to amplify signal, and we have to make signals. So we have multiple gains in our acquisition system, which will eliminate amplify signal, and with the help of active filters and eliminating the noise. After eliminating the noise, the signal will be DC shifted, and we have to make the signal only into positive side, and the positive part of the signal will be sent to ADC, which will be converting analog signal to digital signal, and that signal will be passed to the microcontroller using I2C protocol. And this microcontroller, as we can see, these are the four LEDs which will be showing the status of the signal. This LED which is blinking now, this shows the signal strength is very low, and after the signal is converted into digital form, it will be transformed into and sent through this transmitter to the application part. We can 5 signals: left, right, down, and blink, and those signals will be sent to the application part. With the help of those signals, we'll be able to operate this menu, which is graphic LCD. This graphic LCD mainly consists of two menus. One is welcome menu, which will be we can enter into that menu after blinking twice. We will get to the main menu, which has four options like fan, TV, light, and bell. This is the inside menu, and as we can see here, we have a cursor which will be moved with the help of the eye movement, and this cursor will be operated as we move our eye left, right. With the help of the movement, we can go to particular option, and we can make any device on and off. As this was the main part of my project, and in the concluding part, as we can see, this for human society. And if like some of the advantages, we can see that we can make use of this project in home appliances. We can operate any devices by sitting in any particular room or any thing. And if we can implement this project in cars and other systems also. Like in US Army, they are making use of this technology to operate tanks and all. I hope this project will help the human society.